So this is a Snapper 4 horsepower lawnmower with Magnetron Briggs & Stratton engine, and I'm going to show you how to take apart the carburetor because it's not running well. So first, take off the air filter, and on this is a 7/16, and this is normally on this side. And I got my little magnet cup right here, and you put parts in there, and then this right, these hold on the gas tank. This is right here. This is a 1/2 inch on this, and there's a spacer in here, so don't lose that. So I'm going to do this. And then take this out. Lost a bolt. And for this model, we have the throttle. So I'm going to take the throttle out. And this right here is either slotted or a 1/4 inch. Normally, you take this off, and then you normally just pull it right off the engine. Now don't lose that spacer. Actually, I see there's a bolt right here holding it on, so I'm going to take that off now. Nope. This looks like this is a 5/16. It's American size, and the ratchet's up here. That off, and now it comes all the way out. And you got all these parts in here, right here, and there's a little clip in here, right here, which you can take this off.
Here we go. We're doing a video?
Yep. And you can take this off. And here's the carburetor. Dirty little thing. And now, there's a bunch of flathead screws right here, right here, right here, and right here, and apparently right here. There's 5 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm gonna unscrew these screws. And this is a Chocomatic carburetor, which isn't running perfectly. I'm going to take this off now to get in here. Do this screwdriver, or do this screw I should say. So you take this bracket off. First part, then take these 3 screws off. and then it should pop off. Don't be afraid to give it a little tug. It's been on here a while, so I'd imagine it'd be on there a little hard. Hammer right there. Try to pop this off, which doesn't seem to want to come off. Oh. Still doesn't want to come off. And this one's really stuck on there. Oh, got it off. Seal's probably destroyed by now. And there's your carburetor. Whoa, spring's not even supposed to be there. And that's really dirty. Spring's supposed to go there. As seen, look at this screen, how much built up residue it has. This normally shows that this carburetor's not been cleaned. I can just scrape a lot of that off with my hand. But now I'm going to get my container out. I said you can end the movie right now. Just click the red button.